In this video, we present to you an amazing cottage in the woods built entirely out of shipping containers located in Quebec, Canada. Welcome back. This superb open concept cabin in the woods is built from recycled shipping containers. The container house has got two separate cabins joined by a common foyer. Each unit has an independent entrance door from the foyer. The main entrance door opens into an airy living area that features a grey cozy couch, a stylish modern decor, a wood-burning fireplace, and a colorful floor mat to define the lounge area. The couch in the living area can also fold out into a bed for a second sleeping arrangement. The couch sits in front of a large window that allows you to enjoy unobstructed views any time of the day. The large glass doors and windows can be opened wide to provide adequate natural ventilation and daylighting, creating a good, relaxing atmosphere during good weather. Behind the lounge area is a simple and elegant dining space that has a dining set big enough to sit four with additional bench seating. The home's contemporary kitchen features high-end stainless steel appliances, a ton of wooden countertops under the counter and overhead storage cabinets, plus enough cooking space to make the kitchen functional. The kitchen has a sizable island big enough to accommodate four and ideal as a breakfast counter. The heated floors allow you to walk freely and comfortably while staying cozy even in winter. The master bedroom features a queen-sized bed, bedside lamps, a closet, and is fitted with adequately sized picture windows to extend the bedroom space and also offer maximum natural lighting. Waking up to the sun streaming through the large windows is truly breathtaking. The bathroom is equipped with spa-like fixtures, a toilet, a modern wash-hand basin with storage, a large mirror that amplifies the bathroom space, and a glass shower cubicle. The house is fitted with full-height glass windows that maximizes natural lighting. The house interior employs a mix of recycled materials, including the signature container walls and ceilings that are cleverly used to create an industrial chic effect. The interior walls are painted in a shade of gray and white to create a sleek modern feel. The white painted walls also make the spaces look bigger and brighter, creating that illusion of large indoor spaces. This cottage boasts of large, cozy, scenic front porch, ideal for rocking. To preserve the much-needed interior space, the shipping containers were insulated on the outside and cladded with timber to create a beautiful modern guest house. This house is covered with an additional roof above the shipping containers to shield it from the harsh elements and also to keep the interior spaces cooler during summer. Which part of this amazing container cottage appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. You are encouraged to subscribe to our YouTube channel where we showcase amazing shipping container projects from around the world. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.